Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix can't continue editing. Sorry, there was a problem in Instagram. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Play Store. Then search your Instagram. Update your Instagram. After complete the update, check your problem solved or not. If not, open your Instagram. Press on your profile icon. Press on 3 lines top right side corner. Press on settings. Press on help. Then select here report a problem. Again select here report a problem. Hi Instagram team, I am facing cannot continue editing problem on my Instagram account. So please solve my problem as soon as possible. Thank you. Then hide your error screenshot. Then press on submit. So in this way we fix cannot continue editing. Sorry, there was a problem error in Instagram. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.